Our team gets to play and install cool technology, and we get to put a smile on our customers' faces.
I'd say my favorite thing about this industry, beyond the people, is being able to see projects from creative concept to design to actual reality.
We get to be the organization that comes in and helps bring clients' workplace technology vision to reality.
Building systems where people say, wow, that's cool.
Working in the AV industry provides me with the opportunity to work with an amazing group of people who are problem solvers. The answer is never no. It's how can we make this happen? And in the AV industry, the sky's the limit.
I'd say the thing I love most about the AV industry is the wow factor.
I love AV because I love people and communicating.
What do I love most about AV? The incredible technology, the amazing places this technology is used in. Most people don't get to see or experience that.
What I love most about this business is the ability to create long-lasting relationships with my office teammates, clients, and the manufacturing partners.
What I love the most about the AV industry is the variety and the challenge that variety brings to it.
I love building relationships, getting to know people, and seeing how I can make technology work better for them.
You know, technology and electronics, anything new, typically isn't that reliable. And trying to troubleshoot and determine why something isn't working and isolating what that issue is and fixing it, and talking about it and making it improve upon it, I really enjoy it.
What I love most about AV is being able to deliver solutions that help people connect and improve their productivity.
What I love most about the AV industry is problem solving.
I love that we get to develop people in so many different ways. There isn't a place that we can't touch if we choose to.
Especially during these uncertain times, it's been great to see our members communicate with each other to ensure that their businesses are continuing to stay open and helping each other.
AV is such a vibrant and bright industry. It is vivid, it is exciting, and all the technology just kind of amplifies life in a very interesting way.
The thing I love most about AV is how many different things there are to do. There's so many different ways that you can go.
What I really love about the industry is how months and maybe years worth of planning finally come together to create awesome experiences.
What I like about the audiovisual industry is that it's ever evolving and always changing.
My favorite thing about AV so far is just seeing the impact that the technologies that we work with and implement every single day can make.
All the technologies are working together to create communities.
What I love most about the AV industry is that it's just constantly changing. There's always something new and exciting to learn.
One of the things I actually really like about being a field engineer is putting a system together.
As a whole, what I love the most about it is just the scale of it, the necessity for it, working with our channel partners and watching them solve problems, helping them solve problems, working with these amazing manufacturers who are pushing the envelope of technology, the evolution of technology. And the coolest thing about it to me is it's all for the same goal, and that's to provide the best end customer experience. And
because it's so moldable, it's still in its infancy, and I feel like unlike other trades which are kind of already formed in concrete, the AV industry is still open for input.
Love that every day is different and there's always a new challenge. I love challenges. I love solving problems, and every day is unique.
My favorite part of the industry is trying to figure out with what clients want to do with their systems, figuring out what kind of hardware they need to do it with, and then seeing the project move from conceptual design through engineering, through the installation process, and then seeing the client super happy with the investment that they've made in their systems.
Everybody's very interested in what's going on and very passionate about keeping up to date with latest technologies, latest trends, and it's really cool to see that after many years in the industry, people are still excited about it.
After all the all-nighters were done, after you hadn't slept in weeks, and the job got closed and the client was happy, that was just a sense of accomplishment I've never felt before.
That's probably my favorite thing about it is the solving of the problems. And
what I love about AV is
the community.
When you see that smile on their face and they're able to connect with people in a way that they weren't able to before, to reach people in a way that they weren't able to before, you know that you've really done something special for them, and that feeling just can't be replaced.
The best thing about AV is that you can be doing something completely different every day and still be on the cutting edge.
What I love about the AV space is that it's really about providing a great experience.
Of course, the obvious answer is the technology. But what I do love most about AV are the people.
I can't wait to see what the future looks like for this industry.
When you solved all the problems, when you overcame all the challenges, and you delivered a successful project, and you have a happy client, the feeling is incredible and undescribable.
It's always working to bring people together.
It's a great community, and it's ever evolving, and it's just an exciting industry to be in.